Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a CSV file in both Excel and Google Sheets. CSV files are incredibly useful when you need to transfer data between different programs or platforms, as they're universally compatible and easy to work with. Let's start with Excel first, then move on to Google Sheets. First, open your Excel application on your computer. Once you have it open, look at the very top of the screen and click on File. This will open up a menu with various options for managing your workbook. From the menu that appears on the left side of your screen, click on Save As. This is the key step that allows you to choose the specific file format you want to save your document in, rather than just saving it as a standard Excel file. Now you'll see a window pop up where you need to select a folder location for saving your file. Choose whichever folder makes sense for your workflow, whether that's your desktop, documents, or a specific project folder. Next, you'll need to input a file name for your CSV file. Make it something descriptive so you can easily find it later. After naming your file, pay close attention to the Save As type drop-down menu below the file name field. Click on this drop-down menu and scroll through the options until you find CSV UTF-8, delimited. Selecting this format is crucial because it ensures your data is saved with proper character encoding and comma separation, which is what makes a CSV file work correctly across different platforms. Once you've selected the CSV format, simply click the Save button. Excel might show you a warning that some features aren't compatible with CSV format, but that's completely normal. Just confirm that you want to save it as a CSV anyway. Now let's move on to creating a CSV file in Google Sheets. Open your Google Sheets document that contains the data you want to export. At the top of the page, click on File to open the main menu. From this menu, click on Download. You'll see several download format options appear, and here you want to click on comma separated values, which is the CSV option. As soon as you click this, Google Sheets will automatically start downloading your spreadsheet as a CSV file to your default downloads folder. The process is instant and requires no additional configuration. And there you have it. You now know how to create CSV files in both Excel and Google Sheets, giving you the flexibility to export your data in a format that works anywhere. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.